All right, part number 6. Don't forget to keep creating new tabs down here and renaming these. So here's part number 6. We're going to draw this one from this front surface right here. So sketch, front plane, right click, normal to, and we're going to use our rectangle yet again. And this time, this part is 5 inches long. And it is 3.5 inches tall. There we go. Okay. And we're going to check mark this guy. And then I'm going to right click and go isometric. Turn off my planes. Gets a little confusing sometimes. Extrude this. And I'm going to extrude this out 2 inches. Whoops, I goofed again, didn't I? If I double click on that, I can change that to, oops, not 5, 2. There we go. Alright. The 2 inches is because it's 1 inch here and then 1 inch here, so it's 2 inches back. Okay, now there's an angled surface on here. So I'm going to put a sketch on this front plane and normal to, and I'm going to just start the line command, and I'm going to click at the top there and come down to the bottom, then to the left and up and over. I'm going to start putting some dimensions on, and the dimension of this line right here is 1.5 inches. So from here to here is 1.5. And then down here at the bottom from this point to the start of the slope is 1. So I'll click on my line there and put in 1. Green check mark. Right click, isometric, extrude. It's going to be a remove, and it's only going to go in a distance of 1 inch. That's the surface that I want it to remove. Green check mark. One more thing to do here, and that's this hole that's on the front. Okay, right here. So the center of this hole is down 1.5 inches to there. And then from this back line, it's in 2 inches. So I got to put a point on here now to use my center tool, or my hole tool. So you really kind of want to use the hole tool most of the time, and that becomes evident when we actually start doing dimensioning on stuff. Point tool. Here we go. Click. Now I'm going to dimension the point tool from there to there. And that is down 1.5 inches. And then from the back to here, that is 2 inches in. And a green check mark. Now I'm going to get my hole tool going, which is this one right here. I click on that point. I tell it that I want a 2-inch diameter hole, and that's exactly what I got there. Yours might come up with a different value. Green check mark. It did say through already, so that is part number 6.